Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video I'm going to show you all how I fry fish. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleaned up my fish, and also I seasoned only with salt. I have it washed with vinegar, and now it is ready to be fried. Okay, and so guys, here in this container I have just a teaspoon of flour, that's all-purpose flour, garlic that I crushed, and also 1 whole pepper. Okay, and here on the stove I have my pot with oil that is being heated at the moment. So at this point I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just put the garlic and the pepper in the oil. So while the garlic and the pepper is being, fried, so that it can have that nice garlic flavor and also the pepper flavor. I did not open the pepper, as you can see. So what I'm going to do right now is just to use my paper towel and pat dry the fish. Okay, I'm holding the camera, so this is why I'm not using my other hand. But you want to pat dry your fish, making sure that all that extra moist is not so much on the fish, because you don't want, when you're frying the fish, then it's splattering all over the place, or water and oil, how it goes. So you want to make sure your fish is well dried. Okay, this is just like thyme and stuff, thyme. So guys, at this point, as you can see, the pepper and garlic is fried. So if you choose, you can remove the garlic at this point, but I'm just gonna move it to the side. And now I'm gonna just apply a little flour to the oil, and the reason why I do this is just for the fish not to stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay, and so guys, since my fish here is ready, it's already pat dried, and at this point it's ready to go in the oil. So you have to gently put the fish down in the oil. As I've stated, you know how it is with oil and water. Okay, just like that. And you want to make sure that you put the fish head to tail, just like that. And in this case, make sure that the fish is fried on a medium. Okay, you don't want to put your flame on high and burn up the fish. So make sure that your flame is on a medium. So guys, it's roughly 7 minutes since the fish is being fried onto this side. Now I'm gonna turn over using my 2-teeth fork. Okay, so just like that, gently flip the fish onto the other side. Whoa, my pot is spinning, guys. Okay, so yes, let's give it a nice little turn. See, I hook the fish, or I fork it in the eye, and then gently lift the fish like that, and then I flip it just like that. Then nice and pretty, guys, up there. Then just pretty stuff. So guys, at this point, the fish is done frying, and I'm gonna grab it by poking it in between the eyes with my fork, and then I gently lift it from the oil, shake it off, let it drain off a bit, and then I'm gonna transfer it to this plate that is lined with paper towel, you know, to remove the excess oil. And I'll do the same thing with the others. So guys, if you want to see what I will be eating this fish with, you gotta stay tuned. Okay, so at this point I am through with frying the fish.